This is a little bit out of the blue, but I'm gonna try it out here. Half an hour. What the hell is that? The guys on the Discord, they crack me up. These guys are hilarious. All right, we'll get this thing rolling very soon. Let me just give this a. I will need to share this, and we'll get started soon. Right now, we're cracking to the downside. I gotta say, I am a bit, just a little bit surprised. What's going on, Bull? We gotta wake up here, Bull. Let me copy this. I just want to share this. On my Twitter. Give me a second. This was a bit out of the blue, so like I said, it wasn't quite set up, but we're gonna try it. Yes. Give me a second. I'm almost done sharing this. I want to share this on Twitter here. And I think it's good. Yeah, that's fine there. All right, all right. I think we're good. Okay, so right now we are cracking down. I'm not gonna, go over too many levels or anything. It's go time now. This is Daddy Powell speaking. If you ain't ready, you ain't ready. If you're ready, you're ready. But unfortunately, I wasn't ready for this kind of drop here. So the wife had to kind of, drive home, and I was trading for my phone. It wasn't the most efficient, but either way, I already took a long from there. It didn't work out in the end. I think I lost like 3 points there. And then I also took a long at here at 05. This one just kind of flushed right through here. I did make some back here, so I'm currently still down though. I'm down about 300 on the day, 301 to be exact, 301.50. The day hasn't really started, so it's still early. Daddy Powell just started speaking, but I think we can get this in the green pretty easily here. We just gotta wait for a trap, for something down here. Of course, you can short. I'm gonna probably think about a short, but not here though. I kind of want to short if we can pop towards that 05, 04 area there, but by the time we get up there, I can probably ride this thing to the upside here. This is the first move of the market after the rate decision came out. So the market traps, and this is the general rule of thumb for me on these days. Whatever move we see first is usually the wrong one. Right now, it looks very, very bad for me to say that we're gonna likelihood go to the highs, but the first move is to the downside, and based on that theory, we likely push higher, but we'll see. It's still early. Remember, anything is possible. Jerome Powell just opened his mouth, so literally, just the action is still starting. Don't think that this is it. Just because we sold, we're now like let's just start shorting forever, because it's not that simple on FOMC. If it were, well, then I think there would be no need to have longs or anything, or vice versa. But anyways, first move is a trap. I'm waiting to get long. If you want to short the choo-choo train, be my guest. All right, all right. What am I here waiting for? I mean, we got the 82 there. I still don't like this. I want to see a little deeper of a sell here. That one buy that I need is coming. It's coming real soon. I don't know, but I can just sense it. You know what I mean? I can sense that ducking buy. I don't know. I kind of want to buy already. Fuck. Don't get me wrong. I kind of want a long around here. Take the long at 80. Where's my stop? 76. No, I'm not sold. We're selling it. Got that knife, but yeah, I'm gonna see if we can flush this low. If we can flush kind of this wick here, kind of something like that, it'll be very quick. Like I said, right now there's no point in talking about levels. It's go time, baby. This is go time here. I'm not turning into a gambler either. I've done 3 trades for now, but still pretty reasonable with the P&L so far. So let's see. I just want to see some lows get flushed. Right now, that's going to be a nice low there to flush. Kind of already popped there. 92, 95 resistance. Acting up as pretty nice resistance now. We're still selling. I mean, fuck. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's see if we can flush these lows. I want to see if we can flush the lows, like I said. Flush the low, reclaim the low, we push back up. Look for a little push up. See if we can get something like that going. That's what I'm kind of waiting for. Let's see, what's this thing saying? The Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. What's gonna happen the rest of the day? Chop. I don't believe you. We're gonna do it again. Pump. All right, I believe you. Sold. Sold. Sold to the pump. All right, come on. Let's flush these lows, yes, and then we can look for the move back on up. $76, putting in like 3 little wicks there so far below this level. I'm not sold below that 76. I want to see this low here get flushed. I'm not buying until that low gets sold. I want to see it get sold into, baby. Initial reaction on FOMC is to the downside. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. What is? Come on. Give me that sell. Give me that flush. Come on. Almost there. Almost. James Shepard says, I'm back finally. Hope all is good. So far, so good. The only thing that isn't that good is this kind of drop. I mean, it's a deep drop. You know what I mean? I thought it wasn't going to be this deep, but hey. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, come on, yeah. Stop playing games. Let's flush these lows here. Come on, baby. Come on. Five, 1, 2. Thank you for tuning in, by the way, James. I mean, there's what's it called? It was like kind of out of the blue because I traded the first kind of 15-20 minutes of the reaction in the car, and then I'm like, nah, it's I gotta do it on stream, you know. It's not the same. Like, come on, a little bit deeper. I want to see these lows here get sold a little bit more. I'm not just convinced on a 1 point sell. I want to see them get sold a little bit more. All right, we're running into that 60. Ooh. Amias micros live using 1500 volume. Great chart setups. Hey, trading the micros isn't a bad idea on a day like today. I'll tell you that. Not a bad idea. So I think you're doing the right call. So still breaking down here. I am very amazed at this sell, actually. Amazing. Look at the dollar. Look at the strength on the dollar right now. This is what I mean by I don't like doesn't mean just because the dollar's going up that ES is gonna drop. Not necessarily, right? But they can be correlated sometimes. So for example, you can see right now DXY is just continuing to push up higher since the 2 o'clock news, and ES has just continued to fall since the 2 o'clock news. So that's what I mean. That they're not really indicators. I don't use them as indicators just because the dollar's dropping doesn't mean I'm gonna buy, right? But uh, I just mean that they are correlated some way. So I kind of keep my eye on both of them because they do kind of tend to move in opposites typically. Like anything, it's not perfect, but it can kind of give you an idea, right? So for example, right now, ES, the SPY at the bottom, the dollar at the top, you can see the dollar is just continuing to kind of push, and therefore, yes, continuing to push to the downside. They're kind of opposites. You can clearly see that. Since 2 o'clock, dollar went straight up, yes, went straight down. It's not always like that, but it's just good to be aware. All right, all right. Flushing 60. This is not a pretty picture for the Bulls, man. I need you to wake up, my friend. You guys are getting run over right now. I get it. It's the first major event they're dropping the ball here, but you're dropping it quite a bit, Bulls. Quite a little bit. Must be honest with you. Wow, what a nice pop through that 60 so far. I like it. I like it. Fuck, my order was a little bit late there. Whoops. Excuse my language there. I was trying to get filled at 60 here, but too late. And my entry was just way too late on this. Fuck. Too late. That was my mistake there. I should have been in at 66. Therefore, my stop would have been down here. Either way, it would have been stopped there, but still. So that's first trade number 1 here. Not giving that pop I would have liked to have seen there. Obviously. 60. Gonna be patient here. This thing is it needs to kind of base out somewhere. That's 60 pop. Again, right a pop through that. He wants to scoop me up here. I'll try this one more time. All right, last time, and then I'm out of you. I will not be trading your 66 anymore. 62. I get it that my stop needs to be below that wick there for this to be a trap, but the problem is that that's too big of a stop. I'd rather re-enter. All right, so looks like we need to base out even further. It's 66 here, dinging me around here. 2, 3. Mother ducker, getting me twice here. Ultimately basing here for now. The dollar's starting to kind of show a little bit of weakness here. It looks like it's starting to kind of want to maybe pull back here. What a ripper on the dollar, though. What a ripper. Starting to show weakness. Starting to. Wow, she's continuing to sell even deeper. Oh my goodness. So what's the first move, the right move today? Straight down and just continuing to go down. Look at the day. Oh my goodness. Looks at the shorts. It would have been the better call there right at that 60. I figured if we reclaim that area there, we likely push this thing back up, but not ready for that yet. Let's change this music. I want to change this. Shorts still running the game right now. The shorts. The Bears showed up today. I sang the song, man. I knew it. I shouldn't have released it today. Not on FOMC, you know. It should have been another day, like Christmas Eve or something, you know. Like that would have made sense. I had to do it on FOMC day. The other day, when was it? Yesterday. When I teased the song, they got me, and then today they're getting me again. Still not over though, but genius, 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 genius. 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 Straight down. Straight down. Oh my goodness. Wow. 47. Nope. 46. Nope. Failing more than 3 points. I don't like it. More than 3 points from that 40, 50 area. 5 points. No. Can't do it. Still failing. Wow. Straight down. Melting through supports. My goodness. I applaud the Bears right now. It's like they saved it. They saved the cells for the month all in one day. And then, ugh. It's okay. It's so simple to short, but we'll see what happens at the next level of support down here. Then you see. Perfect. Amazing sell though. Bravo to the Bears right now. Bravo. Straight down. First move on FOMC. Straight down. All right. If we can reclaim that area. Come on. Let's see. Can they do it? What's that? 42, 49. Okay. 8. Too much. Let's go. This is good though, because this is gonna open up a lot of volatility for the next couple of days, hopefully until Friday. I would suspect it does. Straight down, no printing to the upside. It's straight down so far. I gotta say, amazing. No pop, no nothing. Just straight down waterfall. Oh my goodness. Are we really gonna go all the way down here? Unbelievable. All right, come to daddy. Come to Papa at 34. Come on down, he is. I swear, I must be the only bull willing to buy this thing still. Last one, last buy, I swear. Last one. No more. After this one, no more. I didn't buy that other one. Very good. I mean, it's just, it just broke down, you know? It just keeps breaking down multiple levels of support, which is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Famous. Come on, yes. Let's get down a little bit more, baby. A little bit more. Don't start to bounce just yet. Even if we bounce from down here, though, I will be going break even pretty quickly, just because of the amount of momentum to the downside right now. It is, you know, worth noting, of course. I loved you better than your own candy. All right, Daddy Pal should be done speaking now. Let me find out over here on YouTube. I don't know if he's done speaking already. Nope, he's still talking. Bum 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 bum. Come to Baba. Come on down, yes. Bum 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Right up. Come on, ES. A little bit more, man. You went all the way down here. We might as well go test that one down there. It's so close. It's so close. I don't know if there's anybody else excited. I could be excited waiting to be filled on this dumpster fire. I need you now. Come on. Almost. This is my last long. I swear. Come on. Almost. Oh, don't be shy. Come on. All right. So it looks like I'm filled there. Give us a little bit of space here. And I need you now. Not enough. Not enough. Not enough push through there. Come on, yes. The choo-choo train continues to go lower. Who the hell broke the train tracks of that choo-choo train? It was supposed to go straight up, okay? Who broke it? Straight down again. My goodness. It's okay. All right, I'll accept my fate. All right, all right. That's it. I'm pretty much done with this for now. I'm not upset or anything. It's just it doesn't it's melting through all supports here. Even this 31, 34, 30 area here. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. Talk about Niagara Falls. Yes, you're right. You're 100% right here. I'm going to give this one last try here. If we can close this above. Niagara Falls is income. I'm still trying to buy it though. Last buy, I swear. Last one. Last one. Days like today, they are there. You know, you gotta just. I don't know. I don't know what to say. You gotta be prepared. You gotta know what you're signing up for on days like today. All right, all right. I like it so far. So far, we can hold this. This is very good if we can hold it. That's the $1,000,000 question, though. We need to hold this. We need to hold it. We need to get going now. Quickly, yes. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly, quickly. Quickly, quickly, very quickly. Yes, here we go. All right, fill me one over here at the 45. There we go. Now we're moving. There we go. I'm going to get a little bit more greedy on this push here. Come on. Fill me one of the ducking 45 and a quarter here. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to like to. I think 49, but I'll take one out here at 45. Fine. Hurry up, yes. Just squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Just squeeze. Don't do me like this. Come on. We can go towards that 49. Fuck. Fuck, we were almost up 1,000 on that one. I didn't take shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Want to paradise in my eyes. Oh, come on, man. Give me that fucking 45. Come on. Just go for it. You know you want it. Ugh. I don't want to go break even, ES. Come on. Push. Push, baby. Push. Come on. Mr. Salvador. She didn't want. She wants to pull back deeper. I was in a little bit heavy there. Ugh. She's likely just pulling back into the same support, but unfortunately I did add as we were fucking pushing. I thought this thing was gonna continue to go, so I don't want to risk the fact that, you know, we could still head on lower, but I should have just been adding here if anything. Don't hold your breath. I'm blown out. Oh my goodness. Not today. Today's a day that, you know, you gotta be ready for it. You know what I mean? You have to be with a little bit bigger risk than usual if you want to do it, if you want to trade. You don't have to, but I think I just chose the wrong side here, obviously. That trap there is still kind of holding, but I just added a little bit late here. And I had a plenty of profit there, but I got more greedy. It is what it is, you know. Just what it is. Should have been adding here at the 34. Sometimes we don't retest them. Sometimes we do. Or better, or today, which is probably going to break down here. Should have worn a bear shirt. Hey, I'm actually wearing the bull shirt, okay? And I got caught today, so don't feel so bad. The shirt wouldn't have helped today. My goodness. I got greedy there too. Fuck. I would have been in the green if I had just taken everything there, but instead I decided to wait. I really thought we were gonna back to that 49 level. For some reason, I'm like, this thing wants 49. Trap's about to fail here. Provided a decent bounce, but nothing that, you know, I should have just taken profit there and walked away. Would have been green like $100, but still would have been green. No more buying for me. No more for today. Anyways, we tried it. You know, it's one of those days where the first move is definitely the right move. Obviously, pushing lower. I'm not going to try to buy this anymore at this support or any other support for the time being. I'm going to just wait for the market to close and, you know, see where if he wants to find a footing somewhere. But definitely the shorts. The Bears. You guys won. Okay? You guys win. I'm man enough to sit here and tell you guys. You guys won. Hat off to you, okay? You guys will have won this round. But it's not over yet, I think. But either way, for me, it is over. Definitely, they got me. And what a straight boner candle to the downside. I mean, I haven't seen one of those in a long, long time. And, yeah. I kind of screwed it up, too, here, considering the fact that we broke down a major level at somewhere here at 08. And I even posted on the Discord yesterday. I'm like, I'm going to not buy for the rest of the day if we break down there. So this is what I'm thinking about here right now as I'm speaking to you. This is what I said yesterday. I'm like, do not be buying if we break down over here. And we broke down over here, and yet I'm still buying. So going against the plan I made yesterday, and when you go against your plan, you know you're guaranteed some losses. And therefore, I got to eat them today. You know what I mean? It's okay. I know, you know, you guys don't need to go there on the chat, you know, and tell me how I should have been shorting. I know, but I went against my own self, and therefore you know what, I lose. It's okay. I lost it today. I'm still looking for the bottom, and obviously that's not gonna work. That's not gonna be a very good strategy for today. As bottomy as I could look, it doesn't matter. The Bears are still in control, so. Today is just one of those days, very algo driven. You must understand that, you know, don't think so much that it was your level or your, you know, your strategy. If in general, if you weren't on the right side of this whole move, you're just not with it. It's algo driven today. It's one of the worst days to be trading. Typically speaking, this is one of the worst days because of the algorithmic and the extra volatility that comes in today. But, of course, we as traders, we love it because we know that there's a chance that we can make a shitload of money too, right? So it's vice versa. It goes both ways. Just keep the max loss that you said you were going to be holding to yourself. Keep it in there. It is what it is for me today. I knew it. Should have just locked it in there. Fuck. I should have prioritized my account over profits or getting greedy over another tick or two. So... and we did hit that 45. I mean, my profit target, I think, was 45.50. Shame on me, Leo. Shame on me. We headed for a recession. I actually didn't read that there. I mean, I don't know. I don't think so. I think that... I think we're back to the same scenario, I'll be honest. I think we're pulling back finally. This is expected. Looking at the daily chart, this is... not the end of the world. Like, this is just a little pullback here. Yes, the trick is not to be buying every single support like how I just did, right? Letting it kind of base out, settle. But this is definitely not... I mean, I don't know. I just got caught on the wrong way. I don't think I'm in any shape to or in any position to be telling you guys anything. But Very simple. The big failure, big key level fails, and then straight down. Look at that. Even on the daily chart, making kind of like this M here. Hopefully everything's gonna come back. But yeah. You can see that there, and then kind of a little M here. Not really, but sort of. Yeah, I definitely got caught on the wrong side here today. With FOMC, I mean, I like the extra volatility typically, but I usually do better than, today. Today, not too good. And Tony's going to be ready to blow me out there if he's listening, or if he finds out later, he's going to be like, I told you should have shorted. Told you. Anyways, I'm done. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. It is just continue. It's a bloodbath here. It's just continuing. And I'm not going to be trying to get back any more profits on the day or anything. I'm not that I have any today. So anyways, I am done. No more profit giving from my account. Peace. We'll be back here tomorrow. We're going to shake it off. Short kicked me out ×3. Yeah, just continuing to go, man. Just continuing to fall. Nada. Duck. I gotta get back this on the exit fade tomorrow or one of these days. Shit. It's okay, guys. Should have just gone short once we broke that major key level there. Could have, the would have, the should have. Right there, man. That's it. Straight down. You know why I bother with longs after a major. I always do this. I always do the exact same mistake. Once the major level fails, it is short city. It has to be short city there. Look, again, I'm not trying to here justify anything. I'm just telling you here. I'm actually telling you this so you can see here. Where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did she go? I don't even want to read it because it makes me mad at myself, not at you guys or anything. So, look at this. I want you guys to see this. Talk about not following a plan. So over on the Discord yesterday at 7:12 p.m., I mentioned here, and I'll read word by word for what I wrote. And this goes for you, Leo, if you see this later. Stop being look at this. Because of the strong support here, I am lowering another level, 60104. 6104, 6107. After this fails, I will now enter short mode if I have such a thing. In brackets, I wrote. I must, because this trend will be scary to buy if we break down. I will no long. Yeah, something like that. Any level after this, I will not long any level after this level fails. On the same ducking mother fucking day, Leo. Okay? And here I am, basically not following anything I just said about that particular level failing. And I'm saying this here just so that you can yourself see that once you make a clear plan, just stick to it. Imagine I came here and just shorted everything I just bought. It would have been the opposite, right? And again, I'm not like completely mad at the market because the market is not the one wrong here. The one that was obviously wrong was me buying it. So this segment here of this stream, I want it to be a note to myself. Like we do this every time. It is enough to enough mistakes over and over, repeating over and over. It's enough. Like once a major level fails, we short, and that's that. And that short entry would have given me an entry over at 6102. Like if I had actually followed my plan, I would have been shorting here. Okay. So it's not entirely, the beginning of the drop, but it's the beginning of this scary sell that had just happened. You know what I mean? Like, unbelievable. We don't need to be trying to buy everything. Pay attention on the long. May happen. Fuck, I should have definitely been paying attention. Look at that. Oh my goodness. 31. Coming back up again, 31. Oh man, I don't know if I want risking anything else here on this ducking longs here. Oh my god, just like that. Ah, man, we're back to the. I just gave you guys the whole speech, and I'm here trying to buy this now. Antonio, what the hell, man? Oh my god, we're back to that 31, above 31, 35, just like that. It had to drop one more time, didn't it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh man, gee. Look, we got one little trap here, kind of squeezed to the 45. Not great. We get another one here, getting back above this level now, but getting stuck so far. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna give it a 1 point, 3 point stop here. It looks like we're reclaiming this 31 level here. I'm gonna be going break even quickly as soon as I can. I don't want to take another L here. And it happens. All right, okay, no more. Now I'm definitely done with this. Unbelievable. Oh my god, too early. Still not 30. No more, guys. That was it. You know, tried it one more time, but the long could happen maybe tomorrow, later, whenever it feels like. It's a lot of volatility right now. I'm gonna have to just sit and wait. I gotta say, they gave me a beating today. The Bears gave me a beating. So this song here, which one was it? This one. It's not gonna age well, that one, for today, because today the drop came and it sure came. All right, I'm gonna go. Peace. Thank you all for tuning in. I do appreciate it today. The Bears got me, so I'm gonna just take my loss and walk again today. Fuck. Back to back. This doesn't happen in a bit, but it's okay. Should have known. Should have followed my plan. That's the lesson for today. Make a plan, follow it, or else you're gonna get stuck doing what I'm doing here. So, peace.